Hello ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all your Toyota Tundra news and information. Folks, we are headed back home. If you've been around the channel for a long time, one of the first partners I ever had on this channel was Husky Liners. And this is back in my 2016 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro days. I have since tried other brands, but I'm happy to tell you for my 2026 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, I have partnered with Husky once again to add these X-Act contour liners in my Tundra. I'm very excited to do so. Husky Liners is now owned by Real Truck, so you guys have seen me do videos on things like this new backflip MX-4. There's been a few items we've added over the last two Tundras with the Real Truck equipment. So we're back, Husky baby. It's going in this truck right now. We're gonna compare it to the stock floor mats that come in your Toyota Tundra from 22 to 26. These are the TRD Pro all-weather mats, very similar to what you will see as far as the other trims with the all-weather mats. But first, before we do anything, let's talk about what these mats offer versus some of the competition out there. We don't even need to use the website to look at some of the details on these Husky Liners. It's all listed right here on the box. The original all-weather floor liner X-Act contour liners. So longest lasting, our most durable floor liner, stays newer the longest. Fastest cleanup. Fastest cleanup in our product line, 20% faster than weather beater. So if you spill anything, shouldn't be an issue to get it clean once again. Our most flexible fit with our ProCore formula. They're tough, but not stiff, so you can remove and reinstall with ease. Premium comfort, our softest and most comfortable floor liner. Ultimate coverage, laser scan for exact fit, edge to edge, and made in the USA. X-Act contour floor liners stand up to everyday life and stay like new. Proudly made right here in the USA. And the customer service for Real Truck and Husky Liners is also stationed right here in the United States of America. So let's get these things unboxed and installed in my 2026 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. Let's make it happen. Before we install the Husky Liners, I wanted to show you what the stock floor mat looks like here. It's all weather. It has good floor coverage, no big deal. But when you see the X-Act contour go in and how much it actually covers up along the sides, I think you will be impressed. But these do the job just fine. If you don't want to spend the extra money, you'll be able to make it happen with these. In my 1794 Tundra, which the mats are a little bit smaller and they have like a rug in the middle to match the Western theme, those things needed to be replaced right away because there was no coverage. This at least gives good coverage up around the sides. But wait till you see what the Husky Liners X-Act contours look like in the truck. Okay, here's a quick comparison. Here's the stock Toyota Tundra TRD Pro mat. And as we saw inside the truck, some coverage, not ultimate coverage. And then we look at the Husky Liner X-Act contour, and you can see a lot more coverage up top. And you'll really see when we put it in. Big sidewall all around the bottom, keeping the debris in. Lots of grip. I remember that from last time I had these. And on the bottom, it has a good surface to stay in place without any issues. You also have the area here where you will secure the mat to the floor. And here are the X-Act contours installed on the driver's side. Amazing coverage. All the way to the edge almost. Coverage all up behind the pedals, up the sidewall, all very important. Non-slip surface, all the way back up to the seat rail. There you go, keep debris in, easy to clean. You can pull these right out and hose them down, throw them right back in. They're form-fitting to the entire footwell. It's good to be back with Husky Liners. Let's do the passenger side. Okay, here's the passenger side, and same thing as the driver's side. Great sidewall coverage. I don't think there is a better brand when it comes to how much coverage is over here toward the door. That is impressive to me. And all the way up under the glove box area, plenty of protection in the front, driver's side and passenger side. Let's get the rear seats done. It's much easier to show you this part outside of the truck so you could see the entire rear floor mat. This is the stock one that comes with the TRD Pro. As you can see from the tread marks, pay attention to the coverage. Not much up top, not much down the sides. Just a straight to the point all-weather mat. Let's look at the Husky and look at the difference there. Quite a bit more coverage, especially up under the seats. Again, keeping all the debris in. It doesn't have an area that flattens out to let debris get out, making it super simple to pull these out, clean them, throw them back in. Now I have a little baby. Soon he will be a little boy, dropping Cheerios all over the ground. So I'm going to be pulling these mats out and cleaning them quite often. Juicy juice boxes, all that stuff. But a lot more coverage here, a lot of grip. Let's throw them in the back. Same story as the driver's side floor liner and the passenger side floor liner. Ultimate coverage. That's the name of the game here. Goes up under the seats well. Provides the grip where it's needed. It's one mat, so it goes over the hump as well. As you can see it goes up along the side of the door. And we have that area here that I keep talking about. So a lot of extra protection. Gotta love it. Husky X Act contour mats are now installed. Okay, hopefully by now you've seen this in the video. There is a clickable link to this product that you could click right here in the video. I also added a couple more real truck items, including the backflip MX4 Easy Lift that I put on this truck a few videos ago. If you're not seeing these pop-up links, you can go down in the description of this video and you will see the link to go directly to the Husky Liner website. Check out these X-Act contours when you're in the market for a floor liner for your 22 to 26 Toyota Tundra. But don't worry, my friends, if you have a 07 to 21 Tundra, they make a Husky liner for you as well, because that's where we all started with Husky. One of my first partners ever on this channel when I was brand new. They took a chance on me and we're back home with Husky, and we're not leaving this time. I'm sticking with this right here, made in the USA. Very happy. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. If you are a fan of Husky Liners, if you are an owner of Husky Liners, make sure you go down in the comments and let people know what you think of them to help them when they're trying to decide what floor liner to buy. The reason I tried Husky Liners to begin with is because of you, the viewers. You were the ones that told me Husky's amazing, and they're guaranteed for life, ladies and gentlemen, right there. Talk to you soon. Let me know what you think about the Husky Liners in your Toyota Tundra.